something that would surprise people about me. About 6 years ago, I never ever saw myself as an entrepreneur or a business owner. And when you hear the reason why, you're gonna be like, what? To be 100% honest, I didn't think I had what it took. Ability to land clients, generate leads, and manage projects. I didn't even think I had those abilities. I called in sick the day that God handed them out or something. What I didn't know how to do keep me from my calling. I was 38 years old when I first learned what copywriting really was. And 100% transparency, we were really struggling financially. I needed to figure out something. I had to find a way to get over my false beliefs and fast. I hired a coach who saw my potential. She said, borrow my belief in you until you can believe in yourself. So I did. That's why today, no one will ever believe more in my students than I do. Because I know the power came when I was able to borrow someone's belief and make it my own. Follow me for more tips on how we can work together to grow your freelance copywriting business.